How to appear offline on Facebook Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to appear offline on Facebook Messenger. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook Messenger app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, then you simply have to tap on the three dash icon, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now from here, you simply have to tap on settings. And here, once you are inside the settings, if you scroll down there, you can see the option labeled as active status. So simply tap on it. And now here, inside this section, you simply have to toggle off the option that says show when you are active. And here, you simply have to confirm it by tapping on pause. And here, once you do that, now your friends won't see the green dot or active now status. So here you can still send and receive messages without appearing online. And that's it. That's how you can appear offline on Facebook Messenger. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.